going to obtain reaction function for each firm in Cournot game. Okay, for your information, this tutorial is the extent from my previous lecture about the cartel profit maximization problem. Okay, the calculation of cartel and Cournot game just slightly just a bit different, but however the concept is similar in terms of we find the quantity, price and the profit. So okay, so what is the difference between the cartel and Cournot game? Okay, the cartel concept, the firm are restricting to compete to each other. Why? The Cournot, the firm are competing to each other in terms of producing the quantity of product. Okay, and then Cournot is more than one firm. Firm do not cooperate, the number is fixed, and the firm compete in quantity and choose quantity simultaneously. Okay. Okay, let me proceed with the question. Okay, the question given the inverse demand, which is PQ equal 50 minus 2Q, and the cost function C equal to 10 plus 2Q. Okay, so we are going to obtain the reaction function for each firm in Cournot game, and then we are going to draw reaction function. Okay, and then we are going to find the Nash equilibrium quantity, price and the profit, and then we are going to find the total quantity and the profit. Okay. Okay, for the first question, we are going to obtain reaction function for each firm in Cournot game. So the price given and the cost, so we just rewrite into the profit function, where the profit equal to the price multiplied with quantity and minus with the cost. Okay, so we rewrite the price 50 minus 2Q multiply Q and then minus the cost 10 plus 2Q. So the capital Q we substitute as a Q1 plus Q2 and outside of the bracket equal to Q1. So we multiply with Q1, so we get 50 Q1 minus 2 Q1 square minus 2 Q1 Q2 minus 10 and minus 2 Q1. So we get 48 Q1 minus 2 Q1 square minus 2 Q1 2 and minus 10. So we differentiate the profit over quantity 1. So we equal to 0. So we make Q1 as a subject. So we divide by 4. So we get 12 minus 0.5 Q2. Okay, and then for the form 2, we rewrite the function. Okay, we substitute capital Q outside of the bracket equal to Q2. Okay, and then 50 Q2 minus 2 Q2, we get 48 Q2 and minus with 2 Q1 Q2 minus 2 Q2 square and minus 10, and then okay, so we differentiate the profit over quantity 2. So we get 48 minus 2Q1 and minus 4Q2 equal to 0. Okay, and then we solve the equation. Okay, we solve the equation and we make Q2 as a subject. So we divide with 4. So we get Q2 equal to 12 minus 0.5 Q1. Okay, and then we are going to draw reaction function graph for both firm with firm 2 in Y axis. So we rewrite the Q1 and Q2 function from the previous calculation. So we are going to assume Q1 equal to 0. And so we just substitute Q1 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 12 minus 0.5 Q2. So we make 0.5 Q2 positive, so we bring to the left. So 0.5 Q2 equal to 12. So Q2 as a subject, and then we divide with 0.5. So 12 divide with 0.5, so we get 24. So the coordinate will become 0 to 0, 24. And then we are going to assume Q2 equal to 0. So we substitute Q2 0. So 12. So Q1 equal to 12. So we get coordinate 12, 0. Okay, and then for the form 2, we also assume Q1 as 0. So we just substitute Q1 equal to 0. So we get Q2 equal to 12. So the coordinate will become 0, 12. And also assume Q2 0. So substitute Q2 0. So Q1 as a subject. And then we divide with 0.5. So 12 divide 0.5. We get 24. So the coordinate will become 24, 0. Okay, and then we are going to draw the graph. Okay, so the coordinate 0, 24. Okay, so x equal to 0 and y 24. Okay, so we mark the coordinate. Okay, and then 12, 0, x 12 and y 0. Okay, so we connect the both point. So we get, okay, first line. Okay, the second 0, 12, x 0, y 12. Okay, and then 24, 0, x 24 and y 0. So we connect the both mark. Okay, so we get the equilibrium x 8 and y also 8. Okay, and then we are going to obtain Nash equilibrium, quantity price and profit. So we just rewrite the Q1 and Q2. Okay, so to find the equilibrium, we need to equalize Q1 equal Q1 or Q2 equal Q2. So in this case, I use Q1 equal Q1. So okay, so we rewrite Q2, and then we are going to find Q1. So we make Q1 as subject, so we divide with 0.5. So and then okay, Q1 equal Q1, so we rewrite 12 minus 0.5 Q equal 12 minus Q2 over 0.5. So 0.5 we bring to the left, then we become multiply. So 0.5 we multiply with 12 and multiply with 0.5 Q. So we get 6 minus 0.25 Q2 equal 12 minus Q2. Okay, and then we are going to bring Q2 to the left, so it will become positive Q2. So negative 0.25 Q2 plus Q2 equal to 12 minus 6. So we get 0.75 Q2 equals 6. So Q2 as a subject, so we divide with 0.75. So we get Q2 equal to 8. Okay, so when Q equal to 8, so we substitute Q2 as 8. So 12 minus 0.55 multiplied with 8. So we get 8. So Q1 equal to 8 and Q2 also equal to 8. So it's same from the graph. So we get the correct answer. Okay, and then we are going to find the price. So the price equal to 50 minus 2Q. So we substitute capital Q as a Q1 and Q2. So we solve the equation. We get the price equal to 18. Okay, and then for the profit, we just rewrite profit from our previous calculation. Okay, so we just rewrite profit 1 and profit 2. So you don't need to recalculate. Okay, so just rewrite. Okay, so we are going to substitute Q1 and Q2 equal to 8. So we just substitute and then we solve the equation. So we get the profit 1 equal to 118 and profit 2 also equal to 118. Okay, so for the total quantity and profit, we just total. So quantity equal to Q1 plus Q2. So 8 plus 8 we get 16. And then for the profit, profit 1 plus profit 2. So we get 236. Okay.